Alright, April 5th, 2021, Tyler Hayes here, 1344. The MEI rebuild of the 3123 is back. It was previously GECX 2034. We have dash 92618 in the second slot. This one will be the S773. Stick around out as it heads on up to Pekegama as we lean back and get him. Here we go. I have a feeling L519 is going to follow behind it. I don't know if it will have the consist behind that or not, because CNST 60, 5450 is at it again, plus the dash 9 of the 2690. I hear the DPU now. US44 this time. It's the Tier 4 credit, 3831. And there comes car 102, the last of the S773. And that is WSOX 806-284. And that will do it for the S773 as it heads on up to Pekegama with the MEI rebuild of the 3123 to lead. That was previously GECX 2034. with dash 92618 in the second slot and the DPU of Tier 4 credit, ES44AC3831. It's going to do it here at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time, and I will see you down the main line. Tyler, he's out.